Today we're diving deep into the world of digital crime to uncover the stories of the 5 most legendary cyber heists and how they were pulled off. These tales will shock you, surprise you, and hopefully teach you a thing or two about the importance of cybersecurity. First up is the infamous Epsilon email breach of 2011. Regarded as one of the largest data breaches in history, hackers managed to exploit a vulnerability in Epsilon's email system, penetrating their security through a spear phishing attack. This led to the theft of millions of email addresses and names from more than 100 major companies. The exploit was simple yet devastating, with potential losses estimated in billions of dollars. Next, we delve into the actions of the Carbanak cyber gang. Between 2013 and 2015, this group robbed over 100 banks across 30 countries, leveraging spear phishing again to infect computers and gain access to banking systems. The hackers then studied internal procedures to replicate employee behavior, to transfer money, and even instructed ATMs to dispense cash at preset times. Third on the list is the 2014 Sony Pictures hack. The attackers, known as the Guardians of Peace, deployed a piece of destructive malware called Viper, which spread through Sony's network. It erased data on the hard drives of thousands of computers and servers. The aftermath was equally disastrous, with the leak of personal emails, unreleased films, and other sensitive data. In the fourth spot, we have the insane Bangladesh bank heist of 2016. The attackers compromised the bank system and used official credentials to send more than 3 dozen fraudulent money transfer requests to the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. The goal was to steal $1 billion. They might have succeeded if not for a simple typo that raised red flags and stopped most of the transactions. Finally, we can't ignore the infamous WonderCrowd Ransomware attack of 2017. Exploiting a vulnerability in Windows SMB protocol, this self-propagating malware encrypted data on infected machines and demanded ransom in Bitcoin for its release. It infected hundreds of thousands of computers in over 150 countries, causing massive disruption. These legendary cyber heists demonstrate the sophistication, audacity, and creativity of cybercriminals. They are stark reminders of the importance of robust security measures and vigilance in our digital lives. That's it for today. Stay safe and join us again on our next exploration of the cyber underworld.